The Fortune 500 company I decided to research is Microsoft. The C-suite officer from Microsoft I decided to research is Satya Nadella. Passive reconnaissance is the gathering of target information from other sources non-intrusively. Finding number one is DNS name. Finding number two is the mail record. Finding number three is the Microsoft website. Finding number four is the NS entities. In finding number five, I resolved DNS names into IP addresses using OSINT functionality of Maltego. In finding number six, I used the transforms tools to search for the IP addresses net blocks. For finding number seven, I ran the transform to identify the AS numbers of the net blocks. In finding number eight, I ran the transforms to find the organization owner. In finding number nine, I used the transforms to search on the person of Satya Nadella and his email addresses. The phases of cyber operation used in this lab are target identification and passive reconnaissance. I believe that a spear phishing attack is the best attack vector that I can use when proceeding with active reconnaissance. I believe that based on the information I gained within the Microsoft organization and Mr. Nadella, this attack would be effective because based on my research, Mr. Nadella graduated with a master's in computer science from the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. Additionally, using the email addresses when performing the OSINT functionality of Maltego, I believe I have identified my target. From a Christian perspective, when performing a penetration test, I like what 2 Timothy 2:15 says. Do your best to present yourself to God as one approved, a worker who does not need to be ashamed and who correctly handles the word of truth. I believe that as a penetration tester, we have to respect the scope of work and not perform any additional illegal or unauthorized work. When in doubt, it's best to confirm with the client what the acceptable terms of the test are to make sure you are performing the right test.